sa buong buhay niya siguro, ito yung pinakamagandang picture, portrait na makikreate nyo na pwede nyong isabit dun sa wall na hanggang magkaasawa kayo, magkaapo. Ito yung pinakamagandang picture ninyo.
Feeling like someone new.
You hold on to this moment. You hold on dun sa happy times na pinagsamahan nyo for the last 2 years.
So I'll keep chasing new horizons. I'm not giving up. The best days are yet to come.
Hold on dun sa love. Love na binigay mo sa ibang tao. Love, care. Hindi lang yung binigay mo, kundi yung na-experience mo rin naman sa ibang tao. Now, when everything is done, yung love na naranasan natin for the last 2 years, pag nakalimutan na natin lahat, iba-iba kasi yung seasons ng buhay. Pero yung mawawala lahat, but the love we experience, the love we give, ito yung mga naranasan natin, especially this moment, that will last forever.
To our graduation ball. Just a reminder, this is your night. Own it and enjoy the rest of the evening. Welcome to our graduation ball, batch 2024.